Our 4-pan gas steam warmer with glass cover. First off, the overall dimensions. Left to right, we have a length of 58 inches. A depth of 30.5 inches. And a height of 51.5 inches tall with cover. Measurements of the top steel cover, we have 13.25 inches in depth. Minus the cover, we have 34.5 inches tall. Depth of the cutting board, we have 8 inches. And the measurements for each slot to insert your warming pans will include 12.25 inches in length, 20.25 inches in depth, by 8 inches in height. Measurements apply for each of the 4 slots to insert your warming pans. Right below are 4 separate temperature control gauges, and the top left corner will have our ETL certification along with the gas information for this steam warmer. Right below is a shelf for additional storage. The measurements for the shelf will include 55.5 inches in length by 18 inches in depth, and a height of 15.5 inches. Also included will be your natural gas regulator. For all questions, give us a call or visit our website coolerdepotUSA.com for more information on this part.